I'm going to be doing the Secret Feather Swirl Design with a little bit of extra things going on with this. I'm going to be using Driftwood and Amber fragrance oil from Brambleberry. This one is kind of weird. It does behave well in cold process, but it discolors to a tan. However, if you gel it, it's a nice tan. If you don't gel it, it goes like a weird orange. It's really kind of strange. So I want to make sure that you do gel that one. I've used that one a few times. It's a really good scent. I'm going to be doing some embeds in them. So these are, I have them wrapped, but these are evergreen trees that I'll have, and this is just plain batter. The colors I'm going to be using is I've got Mocha from Nurture. I have Copper Lip Safe from Brambleberry. This one's actually discontinued. I do love it though. Martini Olive Green from Wholesale Supplies Plus, and then Golden Pineapple Yellow from Wholesale Supplies Plus as well. And then I'm gonna do a fifth color, which will be the uncolored batter, but it's going to turn that kind of a yellowish, tannish color. So for the, oh, and then I have Activate Charcoal. That will be my base color. Now, this one didn't come out how I had planned. I had my micas was a little bit too, not my mica, excuse my trace was a little bit too thin on this, and I had put a star in. I'd hoped that it would be centered. I was trying to do a tree design. Didn't work. They actually, the stars, let me find another one. The embed moves a lot, and this was just a little bit too fluid. So that was just a free floating one I was trying to center. Usually if you're not doing any manipulation, they'll stay where they're supposed to. Real quick, my husband is doing some wood projects in the garage, and that's the next room behind me, so it's a little bit loud if you hear that. Okay, anyway, so my plan is I'm going to place the trees in with some soap and let that set up first. So these are not going to move around, and then I will do a layer of the black again with the Secret Feather Swirl. So the colors, this is, I mean, not the colors that I'm using, but I'm hoping to have maybe one of these designs in there with the tree. I think it'll be really cool. I do have some confetti in there, those what those little white speckles are, but I won't have that in that one. Okay, Secret Feather Swirl. This is one that I had done. This is really what it's supposed to look like. I'm trying to do some more attempts of the flowers, but this one is a really good one right there. This is what happens when your fragrance causes the batter to rise and set up too quickly, and then this one set up too fast as well, and then this part was way too fluid, so I did not. It's still kind of it's still cool looking, but it's not what I was really going for. So hopefully I will get something like that one off to, I don't know, you know, I don't know if I'm going to do it in the middle or off to the side, because of the way this soap behaves when you're making this technique. I'm not going to do two loaves at the same time. I'm going to divide my batter in half, do one loaf at a time. So I may do the placement of these a little bit differently depending on how I feel. So I might do one with this off-centered, and then do just one feather, a big one, and then maybe I'll do one in the middle and then do two feathers on the side. So we'll see what happens when I start going. I'm also going to be using a thicker hanger tool, since I'm going to be doing maybe just one. This was done with a really thin one, so I'm hoping with a thicker one that it'll push more of the batter. So anyway, my lye is still a little bit too warm, so I'm gonna wait for that to cool down, and then I'll come back when it's time to make the soap.